This is a Dayton industrial ceiling fan. 3-speed! Made by Leading Edge in 1990. I acquired it new in box from a friend of mine. When we saw it on Craigslist, we thought it was going to be something so much cooler. Turns out, it's a turd. It's this turd. It's made around 1990 by Leading Edge. And now we're going to see what it does. Starting on low. As you can see, the low speed is a bit fast, in my opinion, too fast. It's about 100 RPMs. Needs a lower capacitor value for the lower speeds. Now we're going to medium. We're going to switch to high. It was a good bit of air. I'm going to turn it off. The reason this fan is a turd is not for performance or overall quality, but because of the motor. The motor has a design flaw which causes it to run way too hot. Now heat kills the bearings. With so many of these, the bearings fail, the motor overheats too much, and the fan burns out and dies. In other words, the failure rate is extremely high. But this one, I like it a little more. The 3-speed versions are less common. Interesting little tidbit, it has a switch housing. You would think it would be like adaptable. Nope. It actually lacks the wires for a light kit, although they can be easily installed. As you see, it stopped rather quickly. The bearings are either sticky or they just need to be broken in. That's what I was going to do. Turn the switch off. Okay. Now, we're going to operate it from the Hunter 1.6 amp 3-speed wall control. stalled out. Let's put up to medium. Get it a little speed first. Put it back to low. Unlike the cast iron leading edges, this one runs slower, even though the amperage of the motor is lower. 0.95 amps on this versus 1.0 on the cast iron motor. As you can see, it has an aesthetic low speed, which may or may not be desirable to you. Now we're switching to medium. Medium speed via the control is reasonable. Good medium for an industrial. Although with this particular control it runs a little too slow on low because, again, it did stall out. That kind of sucks. Anyway, let's go back to high. It has a bit of a startup hum. Medium high pitch hum. And now it goes off once again.